Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy and sell on CMC Markets. Just follow these steps so you can place your trades easily on the platform. First, open your browser and go to the official CMC Markets website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the plus icon, then select Products and choose Crypto. Wait for the products to finish loading, then select any crypto asset you want to trade and click on it. Once selected, you'll see the chart displayed on the right side of the screen. Now you have two ways to place a trade. Option 1. At the top of the screen, click on either Buy or Sell. This will open the order window. Option 2. You can also right-click on the product you want to trade, then select Order Ticket. This will also open the same trade window, where you can choose Buy or Sell. Once the order window is open, enter the number of units you want to trade. If you're buying, click Place by Market Order. If you're selling, switch to the Sell tab and click Place Sell Market Order. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily buy and sell on CMC Markets anytime.